Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background on Capcut. As you can see here, I've already opened my Capcut, and then I've already edited a video, and as you can see, the video is placed at the center, and then I'm going to add a background to it. So what you need to do is swipe this toolbar menu at the bottom until you find the canvas option right here, and then click on that and choose on background, this one. Okay, so as you can see here, there are various background that you can choose from Capcut. You can choose any of this background, but if you have a background on your own, just click on this. But if you want to use it from Capcut, just swipe until you find a background that fits your video the most. For example, I want to add this one like this. You can just choose any of them, and when you're done, just click on the check icon, and then if you're done with the editing, just click on save. Okay, so that is how you can add a background on Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.